Lake Omaha here now. Sorry if I'm not sounding too good. I have a cold right now, so we're gonna get right into this one. So first off, to start this video, I'm gonna really thank Norfolk Southern Tier 4 Productions for sending me this freight car. It is a Intermountain CSX hopper. It's very nice. I really like it. So if you haven't already checked him out, make sure you go check out his videos and subscribe to him. He's a really good dude. He makes good content. So we're gonna unbox this car now and take a look at it. Package it really well back in the original packaging. Oh, well, one of the axles just fell out. So let me grab that. Alright, so let's take a look at it real quick. Very nicely detailed. Good looking car. Very, very nice car. Very ready to start running this one. Pop that axle back into place, or the wheel I should say. There we go, back in place, just like that. So, you gotta look at the bottom real quick. This car has come very detailed all over. I think I have like maybe one or two Intermountain cars, but I don't have a lot of them. But thank you so much for this car, Norfolk Southern Tier 4 Productions. It's a very nice car, and I'm excited to start running it. So we're gonna get into the operating session now.